So, welcome back to DIY. That's the new name of the channel, Build It Yourself. So, pretty much, I put silicone on the cover and still a little tack. It's okay, I think it's ready to go in. So now we're going to put the cover back in and start tightening the bolts. So as you can see, I got the cover on, I got all the bolts pretty much in. Now I'm going to start tightening them and then go from there. Cool. It's all lean, at least from the bottom. Yeah, there. Help somebody out, man. What's that about? Fuck. That going there by hand now. So what's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. I just finished eating Easter lunch. I'm stuffed. So now what are we gonna do? Well, I figured out why my compressor wasn't working. It was because this stupid thing right there, the reset button. So you had to push the button, to reset it, and the light comes on, and the light's not on. I mean, this is not getting power. So I figured that out. Took me a while because I'm slow. And yeah, man, I'm like really slow right now. I'm like full. So now we're gonna do some stuff like wow, I don't want to do anything right now because I'm so full of food. Oh my god. Well, we're gonna tighten the crank, and then we're gonna tighten the crank, and we're going to brain fart. We're going to more brain farts. We're going to check the timing, and then once the timing is checked, we're gonna start putting everything else back together. So stay tuned. Okay, so I drained all the oil, and now I'm going to spin the crank. So to check timing, I already tightened the crank bolt. So hold on. Oh man, I got silicone everywhere with this camera. So I've done one full revolution, one more than that, and timing's good. Sweet. Now that the timing is good, we can put the whole thing back together now. This is gonna be fun. So now I got the engine mounts in, plates finally fully tightened. I have to tighten the crank a little more. I got the pulleys in, water pump pulley. As you, I don't know if you can tell, but it's all there. Oh no, the water pump pulley's right there. The idler is over there, tensioner's in. So pretty much I'm going to start putting in, I gotta get that stud out right there. That son of a bitch is just, bam, right there. That stud has to come out because I made a whoopsie because I took the cylinder head out with the manifold intact. And pretty much I cannot put that back in with that stud in there because it will bind and it won't go in right, and then we will have bigger problems. So stay tuned. So welcome back to DIY, build it yourself. So as I was putting this together, I don't know, I do not know where this connector goes. It's driving me nuts. And I took this intake apart like 3 times to find out, to see if I missed anything by accident or by stupidity or shitheadedness. But it happens I have not. So I have all those 2 connectors. One was for a knock sensor, and this one I have no idea where it goes. It's just driving me insane. Like I don't have a clue. I'm like lost in translation when it comes to finding out where that one goes. But eventually I will find out, and hopefully it has nothing to do with the car running. But yeah. I don't know, I'm tired. But I pretty much have everything together. The fuel lines are in. Every fuel lines are connected. I just have to put in the top end, and I have to still get that stud out, which I have to get pretty much the torch for and the vice grip. But I'm going to try and do it before it gets dark. But yeah, my bad guys. I would have recorded it, but I mean, I think you guys see me take it apart too many times where you know how it goes. I mean, it goes together quick, and I'm just like, you know, lollygagging, you know, BSing around, trying to find out where stuff goes. But you know, it's almost home stretch to where it'll almost start. All I gotta do is put in the valve cover, the stud. I can get it done today. I'm going to shoot for it. If not, I'm going to do it for tomorrow. So stay tuned. Okay, so far we have not had any luck with trying to get that stud out because the flame pretty much on the torch that my dad has is too big. And you see those red and blue lines? Those are fuel lines, and I don't want the flames pretty much either superheating up the fuel lines because they're plastic and cracking and having a fuel fire. Like, it's not worth for me to, you know, go that extreme of a flame and superheat that up and have a risk of the car catching on fire. So I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow. I'm gonna go get my co-worker's torch, which is pretty much a lower, not lower. How do you call it? 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 Oh wait, there was something here, wasn't it? Crap. Like, I've been wondering where this thing goes, and maybe it connects. Too short. Shit, I'll figure it out. I don't know. But I don't want to risk catching the car on fire just to, you know, get the thing done and almost running today. Plus I have laundry to do. So, you know, I'm just pacing. I'm not going to rush this car back together. I mean, pretty much you can see it's almost put back together fully, but the only thing that's holding me back right now is that stud, because with that stud, it's hitting the top of the manifold when I'm trying to put the exhaust manifold in, and it's not going in. It's going in cocked, so that's not happening. And I'm not letting this car catch on fire. No way. Not the risk of, you know, just to get that stud out. So I'm going to get a proper torch with a smaller flame. It'll have to heat up longer, but it'll get that stud out. And I have to get flat, not a curved teeth vice grip, but a flat teeth vice grip. So yes, that's what I'm going to have to do. So sorry guys, I was trying to get it running for today, but obviously didn't happen because, you know, life and stuff like that. So yeah, so probably tomorrow. I'm going to try for tomorrow. We'll see what happens, alright? So stay tuned.